Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time seeing my beautiful face and my lovely hair. You're highly welcome to my channel. Today, as usual, I have a shopping haul for you guys. This is also a huge shopping haul, guys. It's very huge. I have to put some stuff on the chair over there. Okay, so this is a combination shopping haul. Okay guys, so this shopping haul is Aldi. I'm just trying to give you guys a different angle. So this shopping haul is Aldi, Tesco and Iceland. Okay, so 3 places combined together. Okay, all right guys, let's dive right into this shopping haul and I'll tell you guys how much everything cost me. Okay guys, give this video a thumbs up and let me show you guys what I got on my table right here. Okay guys. Okay guys, so everything here cost me 188 pounds. Okay guys, yeah, and you guys can see it's a huge shopping. I'm not going to be able to tell you guys all the price of everything here because anyone I remember I'll tell you guys the price. Okay, yeah guys, so over here, because it seems like oil is disappearing for some reasons, cooking oil, the price is skyrocketing and we can't even find big ones. So I was able to find this in Tesco, but they were running out fast and I think that's all they got. There's no other brand there, so I was able to find this and I didn't realize I can even buy 3. I would have bought 3. People are just buying it. The last time I went to look for oil, I found this oil in one shop like that for 15 pounds. Can you guys imagine? 15. I've never bought cooking oil in my life for 15 pounds before. 14.99, that's 15 pounds, but thank God I find it in Tesco. I'm not sure if you guys are still going to find it by the time you see this video. I'm not sure. You know, it's £6.60p. Okay, this is from Tesco, £6.60p. As I say, I didn't know I can buy 3. 3 is the maximum you can buy. I would have bought 3, honestly. Okay, so I bought 2, £6.60 for the 2. So happy I found them. Since like 2 weeks now, I've not been able to find cooking oil, big ones like this. It's all these tiny ones. That's what you will find. And when you do find a big one, it's expensive now. They've increased the price times 3. Even times 4 in some places. Okay, so I got some ketchup from Aldi. Okay, I got 3 ketchup, 1, 2, 3, and then I got this cooking oil from Aldi. This cooking oil used to be pretty cheap. It's now £1.20 something or £1.30 something now in Aldi. Okay, anyway, I got 2. That's the one you can easily find now. You can't find these big ones now. It's something else. So I bought 2 of these. Okay, and then I also got some tuna for sandwich from Aldi. I got some barbecue sauce. I got 5. My kids really like barbecue sauce, so I bought 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also bought mayonnaise. Okay, I bought 1, 2, 3 mayonnaise. The table is really packed, guys. It's a huge shopping haul. I've told you guys it's from Aldi, Tesco and Iceland, and everything here cost me 188 pounds. Okay, so over here we have some corned beef from Aldi. I bought 2. They are £1.79. So there's 2 there. I got onion and garlic sauce. There's 2 of them. Pasta sauce. There's 1 there. There's 1 here. So that's 2. And then the other one is pasta sauce as well, but meatball. I also bought 2 of them. Meatball. Okay. There's 2 of them. 1, 2. From Aldi. And also I got some evaporated milk from Aldi. There is 6 of them. Yeah, there's more than the 6 of them. Okay, and then over here from Iceland I got some waffles. They are £1. Potato waffles, I bought 3 of them. I need to put them in the freezer. They're getting defroze. And then I got these biscuits from Aldi. Okay, and then over here these are from Iceland. You know, my kids love this yogurt. Iceland is doing something which I like now. I don't know if they're going to continue doing it. So although it might be a little bit expensive, it might be a little bit cheaper. I really don't know yet. I have to work it out myself. Okay, and when I do, I'll tell you guys. So in Iceland, they are doing this yogurt 3 for £6. Normally, if you go to most of all the stores like Iceland, Tesco, Asda, which other shop? Morrison. Most of the time you see 2 for £2 for £4.50p. 2 pack for £4.50p. So I don't know if it's a good buy or not, but It's 3 anyway for £6 in Iceland. I just thought maybe it's a good buy. I'm not so sure yet. Okay, but anyway, I got 3 of them so you guys can see. And then I got my plantain chips from Tesco. Okay, Tesco sells all the flavor of the plantain chips. They sell all the flavor: paprika, sweet chili, green one. Which other one again? There's another one, I think. Let me see. Paprika, sweet chili, green one. Yeah, the sweet one. The sweet one. Yeah. So they sell all the flavors. So it's 90p for one. Tesco. Okay. And then this one is from Iceland, because Iceland also sell it. But Iceland does not sell all the flavor. Iceland only sell the green one and the sweet one. So this from also from Iceland. It's also 90p. It's 90p everywhere you go, unless they are doing sales on it. So I bought 2. Okay. And then over here I bought some lasagna for the children. I haven't bought lasagna for them for a while, so I decided I would get lasagna for them today, so they can have lasagna. Today is 26th of May. Okay, Thursday. So I got 2 lasagna from Aldi, which we are going to be having today. I'm going to be cooking that in a minute. And then I bought the lasagna. They are £3 something, okay, for one. And then I got mine cheddar cheese for sandwich. I got 4 of them. There's 4 of them there. One, you can see. And then I got British honey roast ham. I got 3 of them for sandwich. Okay. And then I got this roll, this bread metro roll, Italian style metro roll, Aldi. I got just 1 of it. Okay. And then you guys know I like ice lolly. I'm even thinking of start making my own ice lolly. Yeah. So anyway, I got ice lolly in Iceland. They are doing 4 for £5. Any ice lolly. So this is also another one. I've not tasted this tango one. Just thought I would buy it and taste it. So 4 for £5. So I got this one, this tango one, and then my calipo. There's 3 of them there. Okay. And then over here I got milk. Got just 1 milk, the big one. And then over here I got this summer fruit juice. Okay, I'm going to go around the table and show you guys the other stuff there. And then over here we have our apple and banana. Just one. I got 1 apple. Oh, we got some already. We got bananas. We got some other fruit already in the fridge, so I didn't bother buying much. Because the table is too small, I couldn't put the bread, so I have 4 breads here. Okay, they are all from Aldi. The apple is from Tesco. I'm sure you see the name already. From Tesco. The banana is from Aldi. Okay, and then over here I got this their Millionaire cheesecake from Iceland. Okay, £1 something. Okay, so over here we got some bagels from Aldi. Okay, I got 3 bagels. There's there. 2 of them is there. Okay. And then I got this sweet roll. This brioche sweet roll. I bought 3, but my husband has taken 1 of them. So yeah, I got 3 of this, but my husband has taken 1. So there's 2 of them here. I got 3. Okay, so over here we have some mixed vegetable from Aldi. I got 2 of them. And then we also have some hash brown from Aldi. I got 2 of them. 1, 2. And then we have some cooked chicken breast, diced cooked chicken breast from Iceland, £6 for the pack. Okay. And then over here, I got this peanut punch from Tesco. I didn't realize they have another brand, which is a little cheaper, from Tesco. 79p for this one. Okay. So I got 4 of them. There's 4 of them there. Okay. And then I got our French fries. You guys can see it's £2. A big pack. It's 2.5 kilo. 2.5 kilo is a big pack. There's 2 of them. There's 2 of them there. Okay. And then over here, I got some garlic. I can smell the garlic. The garlic is like, please don't forget me. I am over here, because I can smell it. So I got this garlic from Iceland. I normally get it from Iceland anyway. I normally get it from Iceland, occasionally from Tesco. I mean, from Asda, but it's mainly Iceland I get it from. It's £1. Okay, and then I got this chicken breast burger, 1 of it. Chicken thigh, which we are going to be cooking, 1 of it. Okay, and then over here, I'm going to go around the table in a minute, guys. So over here I got some deodorant for the boys, and that's for my daughter. And also I got some bubble baths over here. I got 2 of these one, Astonish Body and Soul. Got 2 of them. And then we got some toothpaste. These are all from, all these here are from Iceland. Apart from this, Aldi, this from Aldi. But all this here is from Iceland. This is from Aldi as well. So I got 2 of these from Aldi. And then this is from Iceland. They are doing 3 for £5. Yeah, 3 for £5, guys, which I think is reasonable. It's normally £2 or £2.50 for one. So 3 for £5. I don't know, I just feel it's reasonable. That's why I got it. And then I also got toothpaste from Aldi. In case I got it in, I said just in case I didn't find in Iceland, but I did find in Iceland. And then over here I got some full brief for my girls. I like getting them pants as often as I can. I like them to change their pants as often as possible, so I tend to get them pants quite a lot. Yeah, so this is for Precious, I think. Yeah, and this is for Jiro, and that's for Jiro. Okay, yeah, and also for the boys, I also get for the boys as well, Gabriel and Blessing. So yeah, that's for Gabriel. They are 12 and it's £12 for Gabriel. Oh no, that's for Blessing, I just showed you. And this is for Gabriel. Yeah, this one is £10. Okay, so I also got printing paper. I couldn't find the normal printing paper I would normally get in Tesco. So those boxers and the full brief, they're from Tesco's. Tesco F&F clothing. Tesco do clothing. Okay, so their brand is F&F. That's their brand. So anywhere you see F&F clothing, like any clothes you buy either in UK or in Nigeria and it has F&F label, it's from Tesco. Okay guys, just so you know. It's from Tesco. So I got this pretty paper. Okay, it's £3.90. This is not the one I normally get, but that's the only thing Tesco has today. I don't know what is happening. Since like where they are bringing the food and the stuff from, they are having problem, maybe because of this problem of Russia and Ukraine. Anyway, and then I got tissue paper. This big tissue paper here from, the tissue paper is from Aldi. Okay, I just want to move this so you guys can see it. It's 24 in there. It's £6 something from Aldi. It's the cheapest tissue paper so far. The other tissue paper I used to buy, the Mickey one from Iceland, is now £11.50, guys. £11.50. From £6 to £7 something. From £7 something to £10. From £10 to £11.50. Right now it's £11.50. But it's more. It's 32 inside. This one is 24. But notwithstanding, I still feel it's a bit too much, honestly. But anyway, this is £6 something and it says 24 inside. Okay, I mean, I like oat, guys. I really like eating oat. Okay, so I bought this oat. I even have half a bucket of grounded oat fufu. Even though I don't eat that one often, but I eat this one a lot often. So I got this big pack from Iceland for £3.50. It's very big actually. It's very big. It's 3 kilo. Okay, yeah. And then I got some potato for the family. It's £2. It's a lot of potato in here, guys. It's a lot of potato in there. This is Irish potato. It's £2 for all this. I don't know, but I feel it's a bit cheaper anyway. A little bit cheaper, £2. Okay, for this. Okay, and then that's from Iceland actually. And then from Aldi I got this sherry. It's like sherry hoop, but it's called hoops from Aldi for the kids. Okay, I bought just one. And then over here I've not drank Motina. In fact, I hardly drink Mot anyway, but I saw this in Tesco for 85p and I'm like, oh, Motina, classic Motina. You can even see how old the bottle is looking. 85p, so I bought 2. Okay, and then over here I got some biscuit from Aldi. You guys know I normally buy all my biscuit from Aldi. I got 3 digestive. I got 3 ginger nuts. I got 3 rich tea. And then I got 3 shortbread. Okay, yeah, all there. And then over here I got their drink. All these drinks are from Aldi. Okay, it's cheaper. This is their own brand and it's 0 sugar. So these 3 here is their own brand. See, so we got the twist fruit, we got the lemon, and then we got the orange. Aldi. Okay, it's quite cheap actually. It's not up to £1. And then I got some eggs here. I got 3 boxes of eggs from Aldi as well. Okay, yeah, I just want to show you guys the tomatoes. I have to move the eggs because the table is really packed. So I got the tomatoes £4.50 Iceland. And then I got the sugar from Aldi. I got 2 sugar from Aldi. Okay, yeah guys, I think that is all there is. If I mix anything, then I mix it. If I mix anything, I'll show you something else in my next shopping haul. Okay guys, but anyway, this is everything on this haul. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Yeah guys, so let me show you guys around the table again. My table is pretty long. It's the extendable table, so that you know that it's pretty long table, and everything here I just packed them on top of each other. So it's a huge haul guys. It's another huge haul. Okay, so that's the table in fullness. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching. Now you have a rough idea of how much £188, what you can get for £188. 3 shops: Tesco, Aldi, and Iceland. Okay, yeah guys, so this shopping here, some things will still remain. Not everything finished within a week, not everything finished in 2 weeks, but of course there are some things that will finish within a week. Okay, yeah guys, so thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to check out my website, sophiasfab.com. The link is always on the description box. It's summer now. You can get some nice summer outfits, nice summer jewelry, some nice summer beach bag. Okay guys, check it out and support your sister, support me. Okay, thanks so much guys for watching. I appreciate you. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.